VEVOR cabinet jacks. So these are used whenever you need to basically wedge something between maybe the floor and the ceiling. So maybe you're doing some work and you want to run plastic, or you're jacking up maybe cabinets. This is a really nice kit. Comes from VEVOR in a in a dedicated bag. Now the actual height of them, I'll show you. It's got some preset, so you can put the little clamps in to these other preset spots if you wanted to. Where is it? Like, I think I went past it there. Or if you don't, you want to get more, more detailed, you can screw it down like this. Okay, but I'm just going to put it in the lowest setting just for demonstration purposes. Once you get it pretty close to where you want it, that's where this clamp comes in. So you would basically just run this up and put this on the cabinet or the ceiling or whatever you're trying to clamp up. This has a million applications. And then when you're done, you basically hit this little lever here and it comes down. This has a nice pad that rotates, so you could have this on an angled ceiling. You can even use this if you're installing drywall, like kind of a dead man. So you put this on the one side, it would hold it up if you were just one person, and then drill over here. There's a million applications for it. It's got a nice pad right here to hold on to it. It's got some labeling here, VEVOR, and it has this line here so that you can make sure you hit these predefined spots in it if that's what you want to do. But if you don't want that, you can also kind of use this to really fine tune it. I'll shoot this out, just kind of show you how high this goes. It goes pretty high. I mean, it keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Don't see any issues with it. Very, very adjustable. If you wanted to jack up your cabinets, you could. Obviously, you wouldn't do it like this. But yeah, this is VEVOR cabinet jacks. Check them out. This one also rotates. Cool.